Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am doing a power hour clean with me video. I got off of work at 3 o'clock and decided to do a quick cleanup of the house before I had to go back and get the boys from daycare. So if you would like to see it go from this crazy mess to a clean, spotless house, then just keep watching. So I hadn't had a cup of coffee that day, so I just quickly made a coffee in my Keurig and used the International Delight Frosted Sugar Cookie Creamer. Not my favorite, but not too bad. And I put on the pentatonic station on my Spotify and used my little Heyday speaker from Target to amplify the sound. So I'm just starting with putting the dishes away. We are so bad at doing dishes. They tend to pile up over the week. So this was just a couple of days worth of dishes that needed to be put away. And thumbs up if you have a dishwasher, because we do not. And I am very humbled because the first apartment we had a dishwasher, and when we lived with my in-laws it had a dishwasher, and even our house in California in our townhome had a dishwasher. So I am humbled real quickly that this house does not have a dishwasher. And the little drying racks that I put all of our clean dishes on to dry are from the Dollar Tree. And then I am just doing the few dishes that are in the sink, getting those nice and clean, rinsing out the bottles or the sippy cups from earlier this morning, just kind of having a fresh, clean sink for the rest of the evening. And then I always wipe down the countertops and around the sink after I am done with the dishes. I even wipe the inside of the sink as well. garbage bag in the garbage. I had taken out the garbage before I started this video because I emptied the vacuum and there was just so much dog hair and it was so gross. So I thought I'd spare you that clip and just show you putting in the garbage bag. And now I'm just getting all of the clutter off of the kitchen table so that I can get ready to wipe it down as well. And then just taking a quick wipe down of the Boys in Tight chairs. I did take the material, like the fabric, off of the back of it because it has gotten destroyed after so many times of using it. So I just decided to toss that and just have the basic plastic, which is so much easier to clean. And then again, just clearing the clutter. There was so much clutter around. I just feel like that's what happens in our household, is just clutter, where just things gather and then you just have to take the 5 minutes to declutter everything. And again, just wiping down the stovetop and wiping down the countertop next to the stove. And to finish off the kitchen, I'm just giving it a good sweep. We have a husky and he is in the midst of shedding for the winter, so it is just a lot of dog hair all over the place. And now just moving into the living room. The boys tend to get out all of the toys like 5 minutes before we're supposed to leave for daycare in the morning. So I'm just kind of cleaning up all of their mess and putting these back where they belong. The storage baskets that their toys are in are from the Dollar Tree. I find that the Dollar Tree organization bins are the best. And now I'm just putting the boys' Buzz and Woody dolls in the little bumbo chairs. I am just that extra mom, and I just think it looks so cute. Kind of a little personal Disney touch to our room. And then just going to clear out the pillows off the floor, put the controllers away, put the wipes away, put the TV tray away, and kind of just straighten up each of the couches before I vacuum. Fasa has claimed that as his seat, so whenever we're not home, he always uses it. And now I'm just going to give the living room a quick vacuum. Like I said, the dog is shedding like crazy, and so there is dog hair all over the place. I had just vacuumed the floor on Sunday, and I filmed this video on a Wednesday, so a lot of dog hair had accumulated within that little time frame. And the vacuum that I'm using is a Eureka vacuum. It's one that my grandma had that was in this house when we moved in. And if you see me looking out, like at the camera, I was actually looking outside. Mufasa's been digging and he was just causing a ruckus outside, so I had to let him in. I always hate having him in the house when I vacuum because he will find the spot that I vacuumed and will just roll around in it and get all of his dog hair back onto the floor. But now he's just chilling on that ottoman. Now I'm just going to put the vacuum away. It gets stored in this extra bedroom, which when the house gets renovated, it will become Cory and I's bedroom. So right now it's just kind of a catch-all for all of our junk, Cory's hunting stuff, the Christmas gifts, all of that stuff. And I almost forgot to put this activity table back where it goes. It was just sitting on the couch. And then I'm just fixing the tree skirts. The boys like to play with the tree skirt, so it kind of gets messed up every once in a while. But I don't know if you guys have heard, but this tree skirt was actually my grandma's, so it has my maiden last name on it. So I had to flip that under to kind of hide it because I loved this tree skirt so much. And it was only 3:53. I had about 7 minutes left before 4 o'clock, and so I decided to hit up the bathroom and kind of quickly give the bathroom a nice wipe down. And originally I wasn't going to wipe down the toilet, but it was looking real gross, so I just decided to quickly spray it down and give it a good scrub on the inside. And I'm just using the Lime Away scrubbing gel for the inside of the toilet. And I do not use like rags on the toilet. I always will just rip off a few pieces of toilet paper just to wipe it off. I just never like to clean the toilet with a rag. And by the time I got done with the bathroom, it was 4:03, so it was time to go get the boys from daycare. I was so happy with all I accomplished in the hour I gave myself to clean, and this is kind of how everything looked after I was done. Of course, after the boys got home, it was a hot disaster again, but for the time being, it was super clean. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button to join our little tribe. I will be vlogging for Christmas as well as New Year's, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!